time to go to the hayfield. Pretty warm out here today. It's about 95 degrees, I believe. We're out in a hay meadow. They have cut, they're raking, and they're baling today. Let's go check on them. They have cut it, raked it, now Rodney's baling it. Go bale some hay. Scoot over, Rodney. Watch this little screen, and when it gets full and beeps, that's when you know to dump the hay. So you're saying anybody could do this?
Yes.
You said it's dummy proof. You just listen for the beeps and it tells you when to time to dump the hay.
It's wrapping started.
Wrapping started.
The horseshoe come up, the upside down horseshoe, that means it just cut the twine. Cut the wrap.
Wow, so that tells you everything that's going on.
Yep.
And it just shot out a bale of hay.
That'll tell you if that gate's shut, gate closed.
All right.
We're gone.
We just made a roll of hay. We're making hay.
Beep tell you when it's full to dump it.
Wow, you don't even have to think. Okay, Rodney's gonna finish up here. I'm gonna go back to the house and get ready for church, because after church we have a fireworks show to go to. So he'll meet me back at home when it's time to go to church.